Hi, in this video we will see that how you can add separate image for desktop banner and separate image for mobile banner section. So here you can see on your screen that here we have desktop banner, and while clicking over mobile responsive icon, and you can see on mobile version we have this banner. So in order to make separate image for mobile banner, you need to follow our blog. So here is our blog, and you can see we have added code and all the details here inside this blog. We will also add link of this blog inside our video description. So let's dive into it. Follow my steps. That's how it works. So this is our Shopify dashboard, and here you can see here we have added a theme of dawn. You need to click the customize button, and after clicking that you will see this type of interface. So here you can see here we have the image banner section. Now currently I'm going to hide the text and button block and going to add banner image for desktop version. So here we have added the banner image desktop section, and let I add the height to first image, and now again add another section of image banner on position 2 and repeat the same step. Currently I am going to hide all the blocks of headings, text and buttons. So here I am going to add a banner image for the mobile version. So here I have added. Now select the banner height, and now you can see our block. Here is our block, and now you can copy the code of desktop banner and select the desktop banner section, and here on the right side you will see a custom CSS section. There you need to paste that. Same like for the mobile banner, you need to copy this code and repeat the same step in this section also. So here you can see, you have noticed that while adding the code, you can see the second section get disappeared. Now hit the save button, and now you can see here we have the desktop banner, and while clicking over the mobile option, now you can see we have the mobile banner. That's it, how you can add separate image for the mobile version and separate image for the desktop version.